So one thing you might want to be aware of if you're going to purchase a big ticket item, something that's fairly expensive, is you might want to look for a markdown of some sort. Generally, um, if a model of an item, like if you're talking something big like a refrigerator, dishwasher, or TV, if it's been out on the store's floor, it's called a floor model. You might be able to get it a little bit cheaper if you talk to the right person. They have the authority to mark these things down to get them out of their warehouse or whatever. Um, or if something's kind of coming at the end of its cycle of being available, things might go on clearance or whatnot. But what we're looking at is something called a markdown. The prices are going to be marked down and you can buy them for cheaper. This kind of comes in one of two ways. Some places might give you a flat dollar amount, like they'll give you $10 off, or maybe they'll give you a percentage off, like 5%. And it really just kind of depends on the place and how that affects what we're going to do. So keep that in mind. There's two different ways these can kind of go down. So what I want you guys to be able to do is to actually, if you're not given the markdown, to calculate it yourself. And if that's the case, you would take the regular price, like let's just for a sake of having some numbers, let's say this item that we found was $100 and it's on sale for $95. The markdown was, well, you just subtract them. The markdown was $5. Or if you are given the percentage, like they're going to give you 20% off, you can calculate the markdown by taking that regular sell price times whatever the markdown rate is, if it were, say, 20%, and then just multiply those and it's going to be marked down. Oh, that decimal shouldn't be there. It's going to be marked down $20. Okay, so just pay attention to what you're given. If you're trying to calculate the markdown one way or the other, if you're trying to calculate it given $2 amounts, or if you're trying to calculate it given a percentage. All right, so jumping in here, this one kind of has both examples all in one. Nora purchased a camcorder at a sale price of $49.99. The regular price was $549.99. She also purchased a flat screen TV at 30% off the regular price of $14.99. What was the markdown for each item? So in the first example, we know the full price is $549.99, and she bought it for $499.99. So subtracting those, you get a discount of $50. The other one, given a percentage, it was originally $14.99, and she got a 30% discount. So you're going to have to calculate that one. 149.9 times 0.30. She got that marked down $449.70. That's a pretty big chunk. It's a pretty big markdown. Okay, so then what you could actually calculate from that is how much she really paid for the item. So we'll get into that. All right, one more example here. So Shirts R Us has a clearance of overstock merchandise. A long sleeve V-neck top that usually sells for $36 is on sale for $23. Find the markdown. So it was on sale for $36. It's marked down to $23. You are calculating how much it was actually marked down. It was marked down $13. Okay, outerwear coats and jackets are on sale. A leather jacket is on sale for 40% off the regular price. So regular price, $219.99. We're getting a 40% discount on that. So $219.99, 40%. $88 even. That's it, guys. Just pay attention.